Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma 3750I black, the perfect 3-in-1 for home, document and photo printing. You can print, copy, scan and connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network or with USB cable. Specification: you can print 7.7 print per minute with black color and 4.0 print per minute for color. Hybrid ink system, auto power on and off, rear paper feeder, mobile device printing. You can print borderless photo printing, segment LCD screen. This printer uses intuitive user interface due to segment LCD screen. Print wireless from your smart device and laptop. Print, copy, scan, everything you need in a compact body. Print documents, photo, greeting cards, and craft. This printer uses ink cartridges 574 and 576. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out and see what is inside. Power cable, information pack, ink cartridges, 576 colored one and 575 black. Another power cable, this one is 2-pin. This one is 3-pin. This is the scanner. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. Thank you.